Tom has a water tank that holds 5 gallons of water. Tom uses the water from a full tank to fill 6 bottles that each hold 16 ounces, and a pitcher that holds 1/2 gallon. How many ounces of water are left in the water tank?
Why are we going to change everything to ounces?
We're going to change everything to ounces because we got to know how many ounces are left in the water tank. So we have to figure out how many ounces are in a 1/2 gallon.
And a 1/2 gallon and this.
And 5 gallons. The problem says that the tank holds 5 gallons, but the question asks for your answer in ounces. 128 ounces times 5 gallons equals 640 ounces. 1 gallon equals 128 fluid ounces.
How much is in here?
5 gallons.
So then these are all supposed to be what?
16 ounces.
So what do you do with those?
So with those, you just add them all up, and you get 96 ounces. Then you have your pitcher, which is a 1/2 gallon, and yeah, so you do 128 divided by 2, which is 64.
And what do you do with these two?
Then you add those two up, which is 160 ounces. And then the problem,
640 ounces here, right?
there's 640 ounces in the big water tank. Okay, so you do 640 minus 160 ounces, and you get 480 ounces.
So I think that's a good idea to go back and go backwards, right?
So the answer is 480 ounces? No?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, am I?
Read it again, Mason. Let's see where we are.
Tom has a water tank that holds 5 gallons of water. Tom uses the water from a full tank to fill 6 bottles that each hold 16 ounces, and a pitcher that holds 1/2 gallon. How many ounces of water are left in the water tank?
What tells you that this is a subtraction problem?
The word left tells you that it's a subtraction problem.
I'll circle that. I should have underlined
The problem,
Don't read it, just explain. We need to know how many ounces are in there.
we need to know how many ounces are in the big water tank. So if 1 gallon is 128 ounces, so you do 128 times 5, which is 640, and then you add up all the little bottles, which are 16 ounces, which is 90.
This didn't take hardly any math at all, right?
No, that's just adding.
Okay, this one took something.
Yeah.
This is a 1/2 gallon, right?
Yeah. So to find a 1/2 gallon, you do 128 ounces, which is a gallon, divided by 2, which is 64, and then you add those two together, and you get 160.
So he emptied the water tank by 160 ounces.
Yes. We emptied the water tank by 160 ounces, so you do 640 ounces minus 160, which is 480. So you end up with 480 ounces of water.